All right, so you set up your Bitmex, you're super excited, or you've been using Bitmex and you're getting eaten by fees. So here is how you eliminate your fees, and this can be the make or break of if you're making profitable trades or not. Okay, so if you just started Bitmex, chances are you're going to be under the market tab. First things first, we never use the market tab. We use limit orders. Okay, now there's something called being a maker or a taker. A maker of the market is someone who puts something on the board, right? Not someone who just clicks and buys. That would be a taker. A taker is someone who clicks and buys. A maker is someone who puts money on the table to make the market. Now, market makers get paid. So if you want to be a market maker and dodge those fees, what you're going to do is click post only first. And then if you're going to be buying, you're going to want to enter an order on the buy side. If you're going to be selling, you want to enter an order on the sell side. So for example, if I click 69.60 and try to do a buy, it won't work. It'll cancel it. Won't work, right? So in order for me to put a make or buy, it has to be on the buy side. So if I put, let's say 69.57 for 5 grand. Okay, let's move it down. I don't want it to get bought. 69.52, we'll say bing. Okay, boom, now I am a maker. And I'll get paid. I will get a rebate on those fees. Big difference. It makes such a big difference. We'll do it on the sell side here. Okay, so let's say I wanted to set. Now, if I want to do an immediate sell, then I'd use one of these numbers, right? So if the market's going boom, 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 going crazy, then you want to be quick and be like, okay, boom, buy, bam, right? Something like that. Same on the sell side, right? If the market's going crazy, I want to sell it right now and collect my fees. You can't buy into the opposite book. Okay, so don't buy in the opposite book or sell in the opposite book. Post only, limit orders. Happy trading. You now don't have to worry about those, well, most of all the fees